You aren't confused. You're maintaining a lifestyle that keeps you unaccountable. You've known exactly what to do for a very long time. You just simply don't do it. Not because it's difficult, but because doing it would kill the personality that you built yourself around and called that a work in progress. That almost their identity is the only thing that you are protecting. And here's where it gets really stupid. You talk about change like it's something that's supposed to show up at your doorstep. It isn't. It's a job that you keep refusing to apply for. You don't want a better life. You want credit for wanting a better life. You want the appearance of growth without the part where you actually have to grow. Because the moment that you try, you lose your shield. You can't blame your childhood. You can't blame your ex. You can't blame the economy or the universe for that matter. If you try and fail, the story simply dies. And you would rather stay miserable than find out that you're not the tragic genius and just simply undisciplined. So you stall the plan, you research, you reorganize your desk, you check the same three apps every morning, hoping that your life changed overnight. You rewrite your to do list instead of doing anything on it. You schedule a meeting to prepare for the meeting. You call it overwhelm, but it's cowardice in business casual. And here's the part that you're never going to admit out loud. Inconsistency is simply just your camouflage. As long as you never fully commit, nobody can measure you. Nobody can evaluate you. Nobody can expect anything from you. Staying stuck keeps you safe from being seen. And here's the part that's going to sting. Your misery isn't a crisis, it's a routine, a predictable, low effort system that you maintain because it asks nothing from you except endurance. And endurance is the only skill that you actually trust. You don't stay stuck because you don't know better. You stay stuck because doing better would force you to stop lying about why your life looks the way it does. So, no hope, no fix, just the logic and the chaos.